Y'all, it's dinner time and I'm hungry, and wouldn't you know, my wife and kids are out of town again. I just got home from work and yeah, no one's here. So in this situation, I like to make a sandwich. It's quick, it's easy, and it gets the hunger out of the way, and dinner done and over with. But in a world full of sandwiches and sandwich options, I mean, you can have ham and cheese, you can have po' boy, but I happen to choose peanut butter and jelly sandwich, not just any peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I prefer mine grilled, like a grilled cheese. So, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need your supplies. When you go to the supermarket, if you don't have any of this stuff in your house, you're going to go with the, you need to get your peanut butter option. You go creamy, chunky, or you can go almond butter. It's really up to you. And then the next thing you're going to need to choose is your jelly option. We got peach, grape, and raspberry. Again, whatever your flavor. And then the last thing you're going to need is you're going to need bread. And there's a whole bunch of different options for that. And then, so for this demonstration, we're going to go with white bread, creamy peanut butter, and raspberry jam, just because that's what I like. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need melted butter. Typically when you make like a grilled cheese, you're going to put the butter on the bread, where we're going to do it a little bit differently. It works better. So a little bit of melted butter in a dish, and then of course you're going to need a hot griddle. So step number one, you're going to go ahead and apply a generous amount of peanut butter to one side of the bread. Alright, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your jam on the other side. Then you're going to spread it around. Make it a little bit, just like that. Alright, then you're going to put your pieces together like so. You get a little bit of butter on the griddle. And then you're going to set it on the griddle. Make sure your griddle's like really hot. So while that side's cooking, you're going to go ahead and address the other side of the bread. And you're going to brush on a little bit of butter, like so. Now you're probably wondering, how long do you cook it for? And really, that's like up to you, because, well, it's dealer's choice really. I happen to like mine like lightly toasted, just enough for you to start seeing the peanut butter starting to ooze out the bread. So you're going to flip it. While you got this side going, you're going to put some more butter on this side. Alright, and now we wait for the magic to happen. Typically, you want to look for the peanut butter to start coming out of the little air pockets that are in your bread. But typically about 1 minute on each side. Flip it. And it's okay if you mash it a little bit. Alright, so while this is cooking, in conclusion, you know, whatever the cause is of your hunger, just know that if you're left to your own devices, there's always an affordable option: peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Thank you.